Our goal today is to start looking at exponential and logarithmic functions. As you hopefully watched in that introduction video, right, we have two forms as we're looking at these different functions. Right? This is called our exponential form. And it is equivalent, right? It means they have the same real meaning to the second equation, which is considered logarithmic form. Our first goal today is going to be converting from one form to the other. So if I start in logarithmic form, how can I rewrite the equation in exponential form? Well, I really just have to identify what is my base, what is my power, and then set it equal to the number. So my base is 2, my power is 4, and the number here is 16. So 2 to the 4th power equals 16 is an equivalent statement that's rewritten in exponential form. Right? Or in letter B, my base, my power, and my number, base to a power, 4 to the 0th power, equals my number, so it equals 1. Same thing in letter C. My base, my power, my number. The biggest thing here is that it's a pattern that we just have to get used to and kind of memorize or remember what it stands for to help us memorize it. Right? Big thing is logarithms equal exponents or powers. So a logarithm is just an exponent. It's just a power. It's just a different way to write it. Okay? So 12 to the 1st power equals 12. Right? I can always use a calculator to check if each of these things are true to make sure I wrote it correctly. Right? My base and my power would be 1/4. Since it's a fraction, if we're going to raise it to a power, we really want to show it in parentheses because otherwise it would only raise the top number to a power. Right? So I want to show the 1/4 raised up to the negative 1st power. And I know that equals the number, which was 4. And what if we want to convert in the opposite direction? So how do I convert from exponential form into logarithmic form? 5 squared equals 25. Right? I have a base, a power, and a number again. So log base 5 of 25 equals the power, which is 2. Or in letter B, I have a base and a power, and I have it equal to a number. So as a logarithm, it would be log base 10 of 0.1 is -1. In letter C, my base is 8, my power is 2/3, and my number is 4. So log base 8 of 4, the number, is the exponent, or is 2/3. And finally, the last one, the base, power, and number, I have log base 6 of a number of 1/216 is the power, so equals -3. So see if you could try some converting in each direction.